Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to new video. This is about 2012 paper 2 MC question 23 and this topic is about coordinates. Yay. So first of all, you are given rectangular coordinates of one point called P, and then that point is rotated anti-clockwise. Okay, again the opposite of the clock. The way usually it moves this way, now you have to go the other way, and then there's just one box. Each box is 90 degrees, so anti-clockwise through 90 degree. But we do not just have to find the rectangular coordinates after rotating, we have to find the polar coordinates. Oopsie. So let's see what it means actually. Remember, the first step is when you see these coordinates, draw the x-axis and y-axis and then just put on the point there and see what's happening. So here, let's draw it first. We have x, we have a y, and this point, which one is bigger actually? Yes, y side line is bigger, so that one you have to draw a bit longer, and both are negative, so it's in quadrant 3, right? So here -3 and then -3 square root 3, this point, and then it is rotated anti-clockwise for one box, anti-clockwise. So we go here or we go here. If it's going here, then it's just the normal clock, right? Then that will be wrong. So that's why the answer is moving here. And remember, each box you are already changing the coordinates, the positions of coordinates, and then later on decide which one is negative, which one is positive. So here the x line is positive, y line is negative, so on the y put a negative sign. Yeah, and so this is your new coordinate of P. Okay, but this is still rectangular coordinates and you have to find polar coordinates. That sounds really hard, right? Because at this point you want to find the degree, like from here to here, the degree, and you also have to find this line. Of course you can find it because you already know this length and this length, so it's easy to find that using Pythagoras theorem. And even for the angle, because you have this line and this line, you can use tangent theta, so you can find these as well. But that's so complicated and it takes so much time. So is there any simple method? Well, of course there is. We just have to find polar coordinates. So use your calculator. Do you see there is a polar sign here on the plus? Yes, so that is in light brown color, right? So you all have to click shift that thing, so you will see a polar here already. And because we have to find polar coordinates, so we have to click polar first. And what we do next is basically just enter this coordinate. So 3 square root 3 and then comma -3. Just close bracket. See, just input this and then find the answer by clicking execute. You should be able to get 6. Whoa, so that is your first answer. At least you know it's 50-50 correct because we have 6 here and 6 here. This is x, this is y, remember? So how about y? Well, we can also find y here. Do you see this y? What color is it? Yes, reddish, right? So you use alpha, comma, and then there's a y and just click execute. You should be able to get -30. But then we don't have this choice, right? So whenever you have a negative answer, just add up 360. And you will be able to get your answer only when it's negative, or else you can get the answers directly. So that's why your answer is D. Yay! So that's all for this question. Hope you like, and if you have more questions, feel free to ask on IG or even in the comment section down below. Bye bye. Thank you.